Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over a couple of Mirka products. We've got the LEROS and we've got the new LEROS-S. So let's get into it. So to kick it off, we've got the Mirka LEROS full size. So this unit here stands about just over 1.4 meters tall. Is an awesome wall and ceiling sander. If you're looking to get a bit more height out of this, you can add a 50 centimeter extension, goes into the base here, screws in, and then you get that added height for if you've got really high ceilings. It does change the distribution of weight, however, it is still really comfortable and really ergonomic. Some key features of this one is a 225mm backing pad. You've also got a 5mm random orbital brushless motor, dual suction points for great dust extraction, and a 180-degree rotatable head. So starting from here, you can go all the way up and back around. If you're doing right down low on a wall, so you got something like that, all the way up along the wall and then into your ceilings as well. It's just going to be an awesome unit for getting all those spots. So you're probably wondering, how much does this thing weigh? So it's only 3.5 kilos, so it's really comfortable in your hands. Mirka have done a great job at making this very balanced from the head to the handle. They've added some extra weights around the control board here, so that way it is just perfect in your hand. So this will be less taxing on your shoulders for all-day sanding if you're doing a lot of walls and ceilings. Another advantage of the dual suction points here is that when you actually make contact with a surface, you're going to notice a visible reduction in the weight just because it's sucking to the surface so well. To get the most out of your suction and weight reduction in that sense, definitely pair these with the Mirka Abrasives, so the Abranet or the Iridium in the 225mm range. If you want to learn more about how the Mirka Abrasives work, you can check out that video. There's a suggestion right here somewhere. What do you get in the box? You get the unit, a 4-meter lead, an instruction manual with the warranty information, and you also get this really cool padded custom case. Comes with a handle, so you can sling it over your shoulder, bring it on job sites, keep your LEROS protected. It's really compact, so it's not a big box. You can fit it onto your ute or your truck. So who's the unit for? This unit's a perfect unit if you're doing new builds or residential and you're looking to sand down those plaster joins, or if you're doing a lot of intensive sanding, stripping back coats. The 225mm head's awesome for hitting a large area, and the random orbital brushless motor means you're going to get a really even, scratch-free pattern. Like everything, there is a limitation, so the size of this unit, it does get longer with the attachment, the 50 centimeter attachment. However, it doesn't get any shorter. So for those hard to reach areas or those awkward spots, this may not fit, which segues nicely into the LEROS-S. So this is a really awesome new unit by Mirka. It is basically the same as the standard Mirka. So you have same 225mm head, same 5mm brushless random orbital motor, same dual suction points for the dust extraction, same smarts with the control board, and pole extension compatibility as well. So where the LEROS is limited with its size, this is where this really shines. So it's a lot more compact. So if you've got those awkward or hard to reach spaces, or you're doing a lot of rebuilds where you're getting in and out of tight spaces, this is an awesome unit for that. With the 50 centimeter attachment, you can also get it to the same height as the standard LEROS. So if you are doing the odd ceiling, you're still going to be able to get that done with the extension. I will say though, if you do add the extension, you're obviously going to have a lot of weight up top, so it is going to be a little bit more taxing on your shoulders. If you do plan to do a lot of ceilings, maybe the standard LEROS is a good idea for you. Another advantage of this unit is the ergonomical handle. So this allows you to get a lot more control of the unit. If you're doing things like marine, this is a great unit for that, going up and down boats or getting into tight spaces and crevices with that. So what's in the box? You get the unit, a sample pack of abrasives, you get the manual as well with the instructions and the warranty information, and you also get a standard 4-meter lead. With both units, you can purchase a 10-meter lead separate if you have a 10-meter vacuum hose. So as mentioned, this carries a lot of the same advantages as the standard Leros, with the added advantage of it being extremely compact and getting more control with the handle. There are a couple limitations to this unit. As mentioned before, if you're running the extension, you're gonna have a fair bit more weight up the top, so it can get a little bit heavier on the shoulders if you're doing ceilings a lot. Another small limitation is that with the added ergonomic handle, you don't get the same 180-degree head, so you lose a little bit of that. You still get 90-degree for the ceilings, and you do get a little bit more. I'd say it's probably about 120, but you do lose a little bit from that. As always, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any Mirka suggested content you want to see, leave a comment below. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy sanding.